What is going on YouTube and weight loss warriors? It's your boy Cdub, and I'm back with a collaboration today. Today guys, I am bringing you a video with RegEdited, my sister station here on YouTube, my YouTube partner if you will. If you don't know who she is, definitely going to be linked up. You can check this video out on her channel and many more videos. We've worked together many times. I love her. She is the best. So guys, she gave me a call the other day and she wanted to do a collaboration where she showed what she ate for a dinner when she had to go out and what I ate for dinner when I had to go out, and put it into one video so that my female viewers could see it from a female's perspective and her male viewers could see it from a male's perspective. And I really thought that that was an interesting topic. We also live on other sides of the country and we don't eat exactly alike either, so we just thought this was a great way to show you how to fit this into your lifestyle. And it works out perfect for me because this week we had a birthday dinner we were setting up. My in-laws were coming in town. It's my wife's birthday. So we were going to go out probably tomorrow and eat, but we had a plumbing issue and now that all got changed around and it was suggested that we go out today.
Thanks for joining me. I'm Reggie on RegEdited, and this is a collab with Cdub. Yes, he is correct. I'm looking so forward to doing this video, and I appreciate him taking the time to do an eating out type of video on OMAD. So today I have what we call our date night with my partner Dave, and we're gonna check out this new place called Prosecco. And we're trying to get to more places that are off the strip and basically not spending so much money when you're on the strip, because that's where I am in Las Vegas. So Prosecco's is an Italian restaurant, and the name is so appropriate because it's my favorite alcohol beverage, which is Prosecco. But I am going to show you the menu, and there's quite a bit to choose from.
So that throws a wrinkle into my plan for multiple reasons. But the biggest reason is 6 years ago when we moved to Williamsburg, my in-laws were visiting. We noticed that there's basically a breakfast type mom and pop restaurant on every corner of Williamsburg. You can't miss them, they are everywhere. And so my father-in-law decided he wanted to try to eat at every single restaurant in Williamsburg. He kind of made it a mission. And over a 6-year period of time, he was able to accomplish that just coming down to visit us and picking a different one to go to while he was down here. Well, they opened a brand new one, so he suggested that we go to the new restaurant and see what it's all about. There's a few problems with that. Number one, all breakfast restaurants close at 2 p.m. That's even before my window opens. Number two, it is a place I have no idea what I'm walking into. So guys, I'm gonna put a menu up right over here. And basically what I'm gonna do with that menu is let you see it real quick while I'm talking and let you know that I have no idea what it is. I'm walking into the restaurant blind. I am gonna pull it up on my phone while we travel there. I'm gonna make an informed decision on what is probably gonna be delicious, but yet a little bit more of a healthy decision than just, you know, ice cream there or whatever else I choose to do. I am gonna adjust my window today for this event, and I'm gonna bring you guys what I ordered and if I ate it all and all that good stuff, and I'm gonna do it right after this.
And I knew that I was going to look at the menu before I even go out, because you have to plan it out of what you're going to do for the week in my book for OMAD, so you're prepared for any changes that your family or friends or colleagues may want to have a lunch with you or something. But for my eating window, it's usually dinner time between 4 and 6. And so in this case, this is appropriate on a Friday for a date night. And that's usually the time we go out and have our dinner. And so I knew I was gonna have the Chilean sea bass. So I will show you what that looks like as we're going out, and also show you what Dave is having as well. Check it out.
We are here at the restaurant. Let's take a look as we cruise on into the dough. My lovely mother-in-law and my beautiful wife entering the restaurant. Frankie coming through. And there's Lex.
Hi.
All right, I will talk to you guys after I order. So I ended up making an executive decision to have a steak and cheese omelet and some hash browns. So I will give you a look at that right now. So there we go. I'm about to enjoy it. I hope that gives you some insight into what I am eating.
That's your coffee spot.
¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama?
¿Cómo se llama?
Llama.
Llama. ¿Cómo se llama? Thank you.
Some bread and that was
Thank you. Ooh, pesto.
it was made with olive oil, anchovies, parsley, garlic, salt, and pepper.
That's right. Oh, that looks good.
Did you have a good meal, honey? Good.
It wasn't over the top.
Uh-huh.
It was good.
It was good.
Service was wonderful.
Yes. And, but you know, I enjoyed the fish. What can I say?
All right, I am back from the breakfast and I wanted to give you guys an update. So you guys saw my plate. I put a quick video in there of my father-in-law's plate. He actually had 2 grilled cheese sandwiches with 2 patties and 2 eggs in the middle. That was intense. I'm gonna tell you now, the obese kid in me was wanting me to order that, but I didn't. So I did eat. It was ended up being steak. It was real steak and an omelet put together with some hash browns. There was no calorie count on it. They gave me a biscuit with it, which I ate. Took a couple bites of pancakes and I took a bite out of my kid's hamburger. That's basically what I ate. It's probably low on the calorie level for what I would generally eat in a day, but you know, that just leaves more room for tomorrow. So, you know, it's not a big deal, but I kind of wanted to show you guys that I wasn't exactly sure what was going on or what was going to happen there, and I still was able to navigate through and I think make some okay decisions, and I came out of the thing doing all right. So
I was craving bread all week, and that is my dessert basically when it comes to carbs on the weekend. And so I also had a salad, very nice, and kept it light and a lot of veggies. And also I had a little bit of mini potatoes. They only had a couple there, so I didn't feel too bad about that. It's just my thing, you know. I know that carbs are not the devil, and but for me, I just have to be careful on how much I'm having in any given day. Dave, he had the pasta, which I was quite envious of that. He had pasta with short ribs, and that was spot on. I loved it, and because I took a couple of bites, and he said it was just okay for him, so maybe he'll give it another shot when we go back to Prosecco. For him, he eats a 2 MAD a day type of meal, so he is a big time cycler, so he needs the carbs, and he does a long ride, maybe 30 to 40 miles a day that he rides his bike. I want to thank Cdub again for joining the channel and appreciate him letting me crash his channel as well. Looking forward to the next video. And if you guys have any questions about what to eat, eating out on OMAD, just leave a comment below and make sure you subscribe to both channels. We really appreciate it and all the support that you guys are giving us. And don't forget, caregiving begins with you. Bye.
I hope it was helpful. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.